Hey friends, if you wish to disable or enable DHCP client for Ethernet or Wi-Fi in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's very easy. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the Wi-Fi network and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and make sure that the radio button is selected obtain an IP address automatically and the second one at obtain a DNS server automatically. Doing this will enable DHCP on your system. So how do we check this? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on command prompt. No need for the administrator one. Simply type ipconfig space / all and hit enter. Now in this list of details, one of them is DHCP enabled. Is it at yes? Then it means DHCP is enabled and you'll also get the DHCP server address here. So one user also asked a question that how do we disable DHCP? Now the question is, why would you want to disable DHCP? But if you wish to do that, then you can use a static IP address and obviously a static DNS server which is associated with that. So this is how you enable DHCP, and to disable it, you won't have to disable it separately. You simply need to add a static IP address, and when you do that, then DHCP will be disabled. And what is DHCP? DHCP means Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.